Don't they understand it's a trap? It's just obvious. From childhood, we should impose certain limits on ourselves. Do this, do the other. Already from the beginning, the path is drawn for us. The school will make you an obedient man. Your teacher will become your mentor, so you'll have no idea how to earn a lot of money. Parents who work in the factory will tell you not to stand out, because otherwise you can't earn and go the same way. This is how the mentality of the majority is formed, which wants to attract you too. It is just a gray mass that every day wakes up to the alarm clock and is taught to be satisfied with little. They are not taught anything about self-development, earnings, or other ways. They just laugh at themselves. And we must not blame them for that. It just so happens that many things cannot be explained to them. They are good people, but they are people with a herd instinct. As they like to say, everything must be business as usual. But this kind of life does not satisfy you at all. You know, the most interesting thing is that people representing the gray mass are the smartest in words. In reality, he devotes his whole life to work, and it is good if he saves something for retirement. But they will say that they don't need the money, that it is not the most important thing, that the economy is not right, that something is missing. The upper class people probably just laugh their heads off and boost the lower class even more, but only the upper class gets richer. In reality, money is very necessary for the gray mass, but this is their weakness. They are confused, and they do not know what to do with it. How to win them in the first place, as if there were two towers, but what to do with them is not clear. Finally, they look to others around them and find the answer, to simply give up. And it doesn't change anything. No doubt money is not the most important thing in life, but that can only be said by someone who has solved his money problem. Therefore, the first thing you need to do is take care of your financial well-being. People in the gray mass are not interested in such things. So start moving in this direction yourself. Start trying to make your own business, try to earn something, study in general, where money is made. And you don't have to invent super hyper ideas for millions. At least take something in the beginning, then everything will go forward. For a person who is starting to work on himself, the opinion of those around him matters. And more often than not, these people are a completely different kind. Thus it happens that, relying on the opinions of others, the person follows the crowd and continues to be unhappy in what he does. It becomes part of the herd. He will chew what is put in his mouth. Do you worry about what people think about you? About what people think about your hobbies, your interests, your plans, your walk, your appearance, your hairstyle? Yes, often these are the people closest to you. But here I would value my individuality and my desires more than what others want to see in me. Remove all limitations imposed by the gray mass. They are not for you. Your thinking must be the opposite. You have to understand that you are not going to get rich in a prestigious university or a job. Promoting your business will bring real money. You have to have your principles and be prepared to go it alone for a long time. Look at the word must. The gray mass loves this word very much. Go where you want. You have your path and where to direct it. Only you decide. You will make it. Please don't give up. If this video helped you at least a little, leave a like. You are on the Shadow Trophy channel, and see you next time.